Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and today I am joining hashtag Two Crafters One Design, who's Melissa, who's Mo Creation, Lisa, you see I'm a diva, and Gloria, who's Girlier's Cards, and I'm also joining hashtag Satmore Makes, and that's Jill, she's Jillian Norwood Designs Greenwood Girl Cards here on YouTube. So Two Crafters One Design, they want you to use their prompt each week, create designs, and put them on YouTube on Saturday morning. And Satmore Makes, Jill wants you just to create projects all week long and then share your projects on Saturday morning. So this week's prompt for Two Crafters One Design was red, white, and blue. So I knew I was going to be making some things for work, and I just kind of got behind and didn't finish on yesterday in time to upload on Saturday, so I'm a day late, but I still wanted to share. So let me show you what I used to create the projects. Oh, sorry. So I used this cute little die, I don't know who this is from. I think this may be, no, it's EK Success. There it is. And it's just a little kind of a floral design there. And then I used these stickers from America's Craft. I've been having forever. Got them in Tuesday morning, like 2018. And whenever I use these older stickers or older things from, especially from Tuesday morning that had adhesive, I'll always add a little bit more adhesive to the bag because, you know, it's been several years and I don't want anything to fall off. And then I also used from, let's see, I purchased these little banners, I think from AliExpress maybe, I'm not sure. And I used this one and that one. And then this is a Cat Scrappiness, or no, Gina Marie die set. And this one is called Dots and Stars. And I used the two smaller stars there. And then from Cat Scrappiness, I used the two small circles from this die set. And I think this is Lotus, let's see what it is. I know it's, I believe it's on the back. And it's the Lotus Blossom Lace Circle. So I used that one. And then, let's see, I think that's it. So let me share with you what I made. So I made these, decorated these cute little treat boxes that I had in my stash from purchasing at a craft fair or something many moons ago, and they're by Stampin' Up, and they're just a cute little box. And then I put the little, you know, rosette for no other, you know, it's kind of like a little rosette, and then the person's initial, and then I put a little star here, and then I just used my gel pen to dot some circles there to give it a little color. And then on this side, this is the little banner. And then I cut with my scrap glitter paper, I used a hole punch and just cut some circles out to give this a little bit more design. But I think they're cute. So my husband was like, well, what's going back there? And I was like, nothing's going back there. I'm done with these little boxes. But what's so cute about them is that they hold quite a bit. So I had purchased a couple of type of candy and decided just to use the Lifesavers, you know, and just fill them up. There's quite a few in there. And so I made 20 of these, and I think they turned out cute. So this is my entry for Two Crafters One Design, red, white, and blue. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you've been around for a while, I appreciate it. And if you're not a subscriber, maybe consider subscribing and hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.